अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं मिस फौजिया खानजई, सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स, क्लास 9 जनरल, चैप्टर नंबर 1 नंबर सिस्टम, एक्सरसाइज 1.3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। फाइंड द सम एंड कन्वर्ट इनटू डेसिमल सिस्टम। सेम इसी एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट पार्ट भी सेम इसी तरह है। दोनों में डिफरेंस देखें, ये है कि इस क्वेश्चन में, इस पार्ट में आपको ऐड करना है, लेकिन ऐड के साथ बेस दी गई है, बेस 5। ठीक है, तो हमने ऐड करना है, सिंपल ऐड नहीं करना, बल्कि बेस 5 सिस्टम में हमने प्लस करना है, ऐड करना है। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के अंदर बेस, कोई भी बेस गिवन नहीं थी, तो हमने उसमें सिंपल प्लस करा और उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया बेस 5 सिस्टम में। और जबकि इस पार्ट में हमें बेस गिवन है, तो हम इसको ऐड करेंगे, लेकिन बेस 5 सिस्टम में करेंगे। ओके, सबसे ज़्यादा डिपेंड करता है आपका क्वेश्चन क्या दिया गया है। क्वेश्चन है सम, लेकिन बेस 5 को देखते हुए हमने बेस 5 में ऐड करना है। 41 बेस 5, 32 बेस 5। ओके, इसमें हम सिंपल प्लस, वो बेस 5 में प्लस करेंगे। बेस 5 सिस्टम में हम 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 ये डिजिट यूज करते हैं। अगर प्लस या माइनस करने के बाद 5 से ग्रेटर देन 5 नंबर आता है, तो हम उसको बेस 5 में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। ओके, और अगर लेस देन 5 आता है, मीन्स 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, तो एज इट इज कॉपी डाउन कर लेते हैं। 2 + 1 3, 3 लेस देन 5, एज इट इज कॉपी। नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 + 3 7, 7 को हमने कन्वर्ट करना है बेस 5 में। 5 1 ज़ा 5, 2 इज लेफ्ट। इट मीन्स बेस 5 सिस्टम में 7 है इक्वल टू 12 के। 123 बेस 5। करेक्ट फर्स्ट स्टेप। 41 बेस 5 प्लस 32 बेस 5। 2 + 1 3, 3 is less than 5, as it is copy down. Start. As it is copy down 3, 4 + 3 7, 7 convert into base 5 system. 5 1 ज़ा 5, 2 is left. कहाँ से 2 is left? It means in base 5 system 7 is equal to 12. Okay, 12 123. 41 + 32 is equal to 123 base 5. Okay, finish first part. It means find the sum is finished. Solve second part, convert into decimal system. 123 base 5 convert into decimal system. 1:5 plus 2:5 plus 3:5. Left to right side. First step, we put the power right to left side. First power 0, 1, 2. Finish first step. Power 2 means 5 we have 2 times. 5 5 is 25. 5 multiplied by 5, 5 5 is 25 is to 1 plus 5 power 1 means 5 1 is 5 is to 2 plus 5 power 1, 5 power 0. Power 0 consider 1 is to 3. Second step finish. Third step multiply. 25 1 is 25, 5 2 is 10 plus 3 1 is 3. 25 plus 10, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 base 10. 123 base 5 convert into decimal system. 38 base 10 would be the answer. Correct first part. Second part, 101 base 5 plus 2020 base 5. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is less than 5, so as it is copy down. 0 plus 2 less than 5, as it is copy down. 1 as it is, copy down. 121 base 5, first part. Okay, so first part, find the sum in base 5 system. 101 plus 20 is equal to 121 base 5 answer. Here base 5 is given, so we add in base 5 system. Second part, convert into decimal system. So 121 base 5, it's base now, so write in base place. 1 is to 5 plus 2 is to 5 plus 1 is to 5. Left to right side, then put power, right to left side, power 0, power 1, power 2. First step finish. Power 2 means 5 5s are 25, 25 is to 1, 5 1s are 5 is to 2, plus power 0 consider 1, 1 is to 1. Third step, 25 1s are 25, plus 5 2s are 10, plus 1 1s are 1. Add them, 25, 20, 30, 35, 36. Base 10. 121 base 5 convert into decimal system. 36 base 10 would be the answer. Correct verification. Third part, 31 base 5 plus 44 base 5 plus 13 base 5. Clear, base is given, so we add them in base 5 system. 31, 44, then 13. 4 plus 1 5, 6 7 8. Okay, 8 convert into base 5 system. Just we check it. 8 convert into base 5 system. It's a rough work. 8 convert into base 5 system. 5 1s are 5. 8 convert into base 5 system. 5 1s are 5. 6 7 8. 3 is left. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8, 3 is left. It means in base 5 system 13 8 is equal to 13. So 3, 1 carry, add them, 3 plus 1 4, 5 in base 5. In base 5 system 8 equal to 13, 3, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 convert into base 5 system. 5 1s are 5, 4 is left. It means in base 5 system 9 equal to 14. 143. Correct, 143 base 5 system. First part finish, find the sum. 143 base 5, this part, it's a second part, convert into decimal system. 1 is to 5 plus 4 is to 5 plus 3 is to 5. Put power 0, 1, 2. First step finish. 5 5s are 25 is to 1. 5 1s are 5 is to 4 plus power 0 consider 1 is to 3. 25 1s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 3 1s are 3. Now add them. 40, 45, 45, 46, 47, 48. Correct answer 48. 48 in base 8, base 10. 143 base 5 convert into decimal system. 148 would be the answer of third part.
Third.
Fourth part, 401 base 5 plus 123 base 5 plus 24 base 5. Clear? Base 5 is given. So we add them in base 5 system. अगर बेस नहीं होती तो हम सिंपल इसको ऐड करते. 401 बेस 5, 123 बेस 5, 24 बेस 5. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8. 8 convert into base 5 system. I think 8 is equal to 13. Now we check it. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 is left. Correct? In base 5 system, 8 is equal to 13. So 3, 1 carry. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 equal to 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 0 is 5. 2 sorry, not 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Okay, 5 equal to 10. 5 1s are 5. 0 is left. Okay, so in base 5 system 5 equal to 0 is left. In base 5 system 5 equal to 10. So 0 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. 6 equal to 5 1s are 5, 1 is left, 11. In base 5 system 6 is equal to 11. 5 in base 5 system 6 equal to 11. So 1 1 0 3 base 5. Okay, after add. First step finish. Find the sum of. Now 1 1 1 0 3. So answer of first part or answer of sum of convert into decimal system. 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5 plus 0 is to 5 plus 3 is to 5. Power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3. 1 1 0 3. Power 3 means 5 we have 2 3 times. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 is to 1 plus 5 5 is 25 is to 1 plus 5 power 1 means 5 we have 1 time. 5 is to 0 plus power 0 consider 1 is to 3. 125 ones are 125 plus 25 ones are 25 plus 0 5s are 0 or 5 zeros are 0 plus 3 ones are 3. Add them. 125 plus 25 150 151 152 153 153 base 10. 1103 base 5 convert into decimal system. 153 would be the answer. Finish all 4 parts. Question number 2. 1 till 4 parts finish.